Track 58. Unit 4, Lesson 2. Listen, read, and write the answers to the questions.
Camels. There are two types of camels. The Arabian camel has one hump, and the Asian camel has two humps. Camels can be many colours, from white to brown to black. Camels like to live together in big groups. They are intelligent animals. A camel's body is good for living in the desert. Why? They have big, soft feet to walk on sand. They keep their fat in humps to help them stay cool. They have small, hairy ears and thick eyelashes to protect them from the sand. Camels can close their noses too. Camels can drink a lot of water when they need to. A thirsty camel can drink about 135 litres of water in one go. A baby camel is called a calf. It is born without a hump.